Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm the Faceless Chef UK. Today I have a delicious mouth-watering recipe just for you. I'm going to show you the best thing to do with Christmas Day leftovers and turn this into this. A delicious turkey and gammon pie with crispy parmentier potatoes, which is easily substituted, as it was in this video, with leftover chicken or other white meat from any roast dinner. Perfect any time of year, not just for Boxing Day. Before I dive into this delicious meal, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all my tasty recipes. And for my returning viewers, welcome back. Your support means the world to me. First, we can start with our parmentier potatoes. Peeling some white potatoes and chopping into small chunks before boiling for no longer than 5 minutes. A fork should break the surface but not break the chunks of potatoes. Once cooked through, I steam dry these for 5 minutes just to remove any moisture. Place in a roasting dish before tossing generously through with salt, thyme, crushed garlic and a generous splash of olive oil before roasting in a 200 degrees centigrade oven, which is around 400 Fahrenheit, for approximately 30 minutes or until crisp and golden. For the pie, we're going to remove the fat from the leftover gammon. More of this in a bit, followed by finely slicing and dicing into small chunks. The chicken, just rip it off the bone and shred it. We're going to use removed fat from the gammon to line the base of the pan and render that fat down before removing the fat from the pan. Before adding our gammon and chicken and cooking through. Chicken? What's that? Chicken. Once this is warmed through, add double cream, black pepper, and after a while, add some delicious Parmigiano cheese to taste and some peas or vegetables of choice. Place the mixture into a roasting dish, then roll out some puff pastry to around the thickness of a £1 coin and place on top of a roasting dish. Brush with egg wash, top with thyme and further cheese, pierce the lid to allow steam to escape throughout, before placing in the oven again at 200 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes until the pastry is crisp, golden and flaky. This chicken and gammon pie with parmentier potatoes is absolutely incredible. The flavours are on point and those potatoes are so crispy. I can't wait for you to try this at home. And if you're tuning in on Christmas Day, forget the chicken and gammon pie. This is now turkey and gammon pie. Do enjoy. If you enjoyed today's recipe and want more delicious content, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. I aim to have new recipes every week and you won't want to miss out. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Enjoyed the video? Click any of the provided links to see some of my most recent recipes. If you love any of these dishes, leave me a comment below. What's your favourite go-to leftover recipe? Happy Christmas, folks.